What are you guys doing?
Dropping my chain in the water.
Yeah?
Hey, drop it.
Are you doing your own little anchor drop?
Yeah. Boom! What? Dad said we could have it.
How deep is it?
Pretty deep. Enough that I could probably drown. Yeah, you can drown.
But you know, you're a good swimmer.
Yeah.
Set up. Dropping out of the buoy.
Just want to make sure we get this one far enough that way that we have good tension on it.
What are you doing, Bug?
Trying to catch some minnows.
Some minnows?
Of course you will. Mama. Stop video. Stop video.
Going for a dip.
Perfect timing, the sun's coming out.
There you go.
Dive, daddy, dive. I sprayed myself.
There's a look.
He sprayed me in the face.
He's checking position of the current anchor before we drop the second one.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good?
Away from the boat.
Get away from the boat because it's going to move when the...
Bounce back. So.
So yeah, we're about 60 feet deep on our anchor. And we can pull the chain up to almost to the surface.
Yeah.
It's about 50 feet of chain. So now we need to run it underneath the boats here and under the dock to a little eye bolt I've got over here behind the first float. So that way on the front of our dock, the chains will be crisscrossed underneath. So that'll prevent the dock from going in either direction. And the chains have enough slack on them and a little bit of rope so that I don't actually need counterweights underneath my dock. As long as you have enough slack, the weight of the chain is really heavy because it's 5/8 long length chain. And so when the water level comes up in the winter time, it'll just kind of pull that into a more taut scenario. And then when the water level goes down, they just become a little more slack, but they still hold the dock in the
Logan.
right place.
He's like photobombing you.
Yeah, punk. Grab the rope right here. Yep. Just hold that while I take it off here. Can you walk it over here a bit? I think if we just stretch it out, it'll...
Upgrade CrossFit.
in.
Okay, you guys don't
Alright.
What's the job?
We got a dog that hopefully won't move now.
You. Go team. How's that water?
Oh, it's glorious. I gotta salvage my farm jack that's underneath here though.
Oh dear.
I used to lift the raft.
Where'd he go? There he is.
Get it.
There we go.
Barbara, why aren't you in the water? It's sunny. It's beautiful. The water's great. Get in here. Get in here, boy.
In the water.
Get in the water. Want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, U2 Fasteners, Canadian company, amazing product. I don't often use screws, but when I do, I use U2s. Be sure to check out their website. The link is in the description box below, and keep an eye out for their products at your local hardware store.
Okay, count them down.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job. It's just a tiny bit windy, but beautiful.